Hello, my name is Bijanca Star, and this is NFT time, where I spill the latest tea on the NFT community. All right, NFTea, a piracy website, offers NFT art as free downloads, all taken from the Solana and Ethereum networks. Now, what that means is people have access to these NFTs and they can download them and have them on their computer, right? Yes, but they don't own them, okay? And as the NFT market and as the NFT technology matures, there will be a way in which you can implement a tracking system to see who actually owns these digital images. So just having them on your computer, right-clicking it, doesn't mean anything. Going to a museum and taking a picture of a piece of art doesn't mean you own the art, though you may have a nice quality picture of it. Okay, digital artist Loafgren slapped a copy of Polkadot, a popular art by Damien Hirst, on a digital image of Crocs and sold them for 0.5 ETH. And people are up in arms. What does it mean to have actual IP? What does it mean to take pieces and parts of other people's art and call it your own art? Well, Andy Warhol, for example, had a Campbell's soup can and some other art around it, and then called it art and sold it for millions of dollars. So, art is in the eye of the beholder, and just because we're transitioning these types of artworks onto online does not mean that it's anything different and we haven't experienced something like this before. And again, as this space matures, we'll have different ways to implement ownership rights, we'll have different ways to see who actually owns it by connecting your wallet perchance to specific sites, etc., etc. South China Morning Post released a white paper detailing new NFT metadata standards called Artifact. What this means is moving forward for all of the NFTs that they publish through their publication, they will have a standard on what that NFT looks like. Having standards makes sense. ERC20 is a token and a standard token on the Ethereum network. Having a standard is something that just classifies an NFT created in a certain way and for a certain reason. Really bullish because it means that the industry is moving forward and being utilized by big players such as government media. Audius, a California-based music streaming platform, added a new function allowing embedding of NFTs on blogs and media such as Twitter and Discord. So this is really exciting because it means that using Audius, you can create NFTs as a musician, as an artist, and you can embed them into places like Discord and Twitter, showcasing the work that your fans could potentially buy and that the revenue streams would go directly to you as the artist. Cutting out the middleman, cutting out the streaming services. Goodbye, Spotify. See you later. Don't keep your 1% cut. We don't want it. NFT Basel, a conference in Miami during Art Basel, is on November 30th. It's a symposium for NFT creators, artists, investors, showcasing panels, fireside chats, digital galleries, and more. All the events happening during Art Basel are going to be NFT focused because this is a technological and artistic revolution. It's very exciting. Stay tuned for more updates. Our word of the day is diamond hands. Who are diamond hands? They are non-sellers. They are long-term hodlers. They are solid through the lows and the highs. They are diamond hands. Those hands are made of diamonds. I'll talk to you later. Bijanca Star, out!